So today I have the U61 by Loolinn. We're gonna go take her up for a quick outdoor flight, see how she does. I didn't bring my landing gear, my landing pad, sorry, today. So I have this makeshift cardboard, which we'll just use. We're also gonna check out the FPV feed as well, so you guys can see how it works together. Alright, so we're gonna set her up. Alright, so as in the previous video, which by the way, there's a giveaway going on the channel. You have until October 28th to enter, so just go to that video, it's up right here, and follow the details and the rules to the giveaway, and you can win yourself one of these. Turn it on here. You see it blinking. Next, you want to turn on the remote, and then you want to press down to pair the remote to the drone, as you can see there. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you want to calibrate the gyroscopes, so you just press down and out, and you don't see it, but the lights blink. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to connect it to the drone's Wi-Fi. You see there, Loolinn, and then a random set of numbers. Just wait for it to connect. Alright, it's connected. Now you want to open up the Loolinn app. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Now I'll skip the tutorial, and you just want to start. So I'm going to go ahead and do a screen recording of this, and we'll just go ahead and start. Well, first of all, let me take some pictures to show you guys how it looks. So you just click here. That's one picture. Nothing too interesting, sorry guys, just showing you the quality of the actual camera. Let me see if I can get something interesting here. And I don't know. Alright, let's see. And there. Start recording here, so you just press on the record button. And you should see here it turns red, that means it's recording. So I'm going to go ahead and start the motors, as you can see, and see how she does. Now the first thing, being that we're outdoors, seems to be holding steady right now, but let me see if I have it, being that we're outdoors, I'm going to go and, there we go, have it on the third set. So I'm just going to go ahead and fly her around. It's a really nice smooth flyer. Now this does have a, oh, there we go, didn't see that one coming. What was that? Kind of has a interesting stop there. Wow, that was a quick stop. Pretty fast brakes. see that again. This is on 3rd speed. Now, it's pretty windy. Well, it's not that windy, but for this brushed motor quad, see, it goes with the wind, but when the wind is going against the wind, it goes slower. So the wind is going this way. So obviously you're going to get faster speed. Now it's going against the wind, so it's struggling. Oh, nice. This thing flies pretty fast. It's pretty easy. It's not that hard. I mean, you know, you just up, down, forward, back, roll, left, roll right, and yaw to the left, yaw to the right. The battery time is supposed to be 7 minutes, so you have enough to fly around and have some fun. Look at that, a funnel. So funnel down and get out of the funnel. It's nice. I like it. Like I said, it's great for kids or beginners. Don't expect, you know, the best camera quality. It's just something that kids can experience. Flying around and seeing what they're, you know, what's in front of them through the camera. So it's a fun little quad. Now, as you can see, it's stable because it has altitude hold, and I'm surprised that it's holding outside with look, a little bit of wind there. So that's pretty cool. I'm gonna run it until the batteries run out. Now when the batteries start to run out, I think it just loses altitude and it'll either just slowly land itself, or it'll just drop out of the sky. I don't want to go too far with it or I'll lose it. And like I said, if you go too far, it'll beep. Let me see. I think now I'm going too far. I don't know. Hasn't beeped on me yet, which is strange. Didn't beep on me. Interesting. So if you go too far, it's supposed to beep. Look at this. This thing's a flyer. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Roll over here, but guy. It's probably losing juice right around now. Struggling against the wind. Now this is great for beginners. Why? Because you can just learn the basics of you know, flight. So if you want to know how to fly a quadcopter, you know, this is the easiest way for you guys to learn. You won't hurt yourself because it has protective guards on the props, as you can see. And you know, they're brushed motors. They're not brushless, which are more powerful, and those can be quite dangerous if you were to stick your hand inside of there. But yeah, it's just a fun quad, you know. Spend some time. It's a great indoor flyer, and as you can see, it also flies well outdoors. So yeah, totally recommended for you guys. Let's see in the sun. And look at that. So yeah, guys, the Loolinn U61, as you can see, it's pretty nice, smooth little kids toy drone. Oh, sort of lost my orientation. Yeah, look at that. been flying for a while, eh? And it flies pretty high. I probably could go higher than that. Just don't want it to lose connection and then fly away on me. Let's see, being that it's closer to me, let's see how high it can actually go. That's pretty high for a toy quad. And the latency is pretty good too. Wow. I mean, the response time. There you go. And, oh, I thought the battery, well, it's now prompting you that the battery is low. That was quite impressive. I didn't expect it to fly that high for a toy quad. So I'm just gonna go and put it over the landing pad. That was pretty impressive, guys. As you saw, I did fly it up, I don't know, maybe that was like 10, 15 meters high, maybe 10, probably 10 meters, I don't know, somewhere between 5 and 10. And wow, I probably could have gone further up. This doesn't have GPS or anything like that, so if I lose transmission with it, it'll just fly away on me and I wouldn't be able to get it back. So, but just to show you guys that, you know, on a really nice calm day and in an open field with no obstacles around like trees or anything, I think that you can fly this probably up, I don't know, maybe 20 meters or more. And as you saw, the response from the remote was pretty impressive. I mean, I went up, and then when I felt uncomfortable with going too high, I pushed down on the throttle and it responded quickly and came back down. So that's pretty nice. Alright, I'm out of here, guys. See you on the next one.